Hello guys, okay, this is Heavenly Light Cream and Soap. When you order this set, it will come with a sponge, okay? You will get a face and body cream, and you also will get the Heavenly Light soap. Okay, we do have two options with the soap. We have a turmeric soap and we do have a carrot soap. So it's up to your liking, whichever one you like, you could get it with your set. Okay, we do have 3 sets available. We have a small set, we have a medium, and we do have a big set available. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go wash my face, okay, and I'm gonna use the Heavenly Light. This is the cream, okay. This is the sponge, and this is the Heavenly Light soap. This one is the turmeric, okay. This is the turmeric soap that I'm gonna use today for you. Okay, I'm gonna end this video and I'm gonna do another video where I wash my face so I can make it shorter. Okay, now we're gonna use the soap, sponge, and after we dry our face, and we're gonna use the cream. Okay, ou même qui c'est haïtien, ok, nous pral laver figi nous. Ça c'est sponge pour laver figi ou, et puis gen un bon ka utiliser pour foubi bouche ou, et puis un bon pour laver figi ou. Et puis nous gen un savon, nous pral ouvrir. Ok, ça c'est Heavenly Light. Ok, après nous fin laver figi nous pral appliquer crème dans figi nous. Ok, so nous pral aller, ça c'est savon. Alright, this is the soap. N'a pou ouvrir. N'a pou ouvrir ensemble. Okay, as you can see, all right, we are opening the soap. This is it. Now we're gonna open the water. We're gonna give a face, wet the face first. Okay, so what we're doing, we apply the soap. Here it is. This is the turmeric soap. Ça c'est turmeric savon. Okay, not making a sponge now. Okay, so you can see I'm using the soap. You rub it. Then we're going to apply this sponge. Then we're going to use it to scrub the lips. Okay, then we're going to wash face. Look. See how beautiful. When you dry your face, you don't scrub your face, you tap the face. Okay, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, you tap it. Okay, now we're going to apply the Heavenly cream. Look at my face. See how beautiful it looks? See how glory? Look how beautiful. All right, those of you that haven't tried Heavenly Light, come and grab yours right now. Okay, this is the soap. As you see, I open it. So come get yours. Bye.